welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you organic cold pressed coconut oil. The other time I brought to you how to make coconut oil using the heat extraction method. Now the heat extraction method is good for those who live in the temperate zones or those who do not have time to wait. But if you live in the tropical zone or if it's summertime where you are, I would advise you use this method because it has more properties. So you are going to start by bringing water to a boil. I have here my 3 medium-sized coconut. You are also going to need a hammer to break the coconut. You are also going to need an old outfit you don't care about. Now get a coconut and wrap it with your old outfit. Then using the hammer, hit the coconut. Outfit is going to prevent the hard shell of the coconut from getting into your eyes or getting everywhere in your room. When the coconut water starts coming out, put it in a separate container. So after you're done breaking it up, use a knife to get the coconut out of its shell. Then get some clean water and rinse the coconut. Afterwards, cut the coconut into smaller pieces so that it can be very easy to blend up. So after cutting all the 3 coconuts into small pieces, this is what I have here. Now transfer the pieces into a blender. I'm gonna do half at a time because I have a lot of coconut pieces. Put your coconut water into the blender to blend it with the coconut. Add some hot water in the blender. This is going to help melt out all the fat. So after you're done, and with the help of a strainer and a handkerchief, transfer your blended coconut into your container. Now squeeze out all the liquid from the coconut. And put the chaff into a separate bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the second half. Now I'm gonna blend the chaff again because it still contains some of the milk and oil. Then I'll just go ahead and give it the final squeeze. So after squeezing out all the liquid, this is what we have here. As you can see, it's already started separating. And the water is below the cream. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge for about a day. So it's been after a day, and as you can see, the top layer has hardened up. I'm gonna use a knife, a spoon and a fork to cut the top layer and separate it from the water below. Now do not be deceived, this is not the coconut oil. This is the coconut cream, which contains the milk and the oil. You can just get rid of the water. Go ahead and cover my cream with a plastic wrap. Then I'll put it in a warm place. I have this little house here which doesn't have any windows, so it's very warm inside. I'm just gonna leave it there for a day and allow it to ferment. So it's been after 5 hours, and as you can see, it's already started separating. So it's been after 10 hours, and as you can see, it has 3 layers now. There is a middle layer, which is the oil, and the last layer, which is some water, and the top layer, which is the curd. It's been about 15 hours, and as you can see, you can really see and touch the oil now. So it's the next day and our oil is ready. Since we still have some water below, I'm just gonna put it back into the fridge for about an hour. So it's been after an hour, and as you can see, the coconut oil and part of the cream has frozen up and the water is below. Now I'm gonna take out the frozen part and get rid of the water. And I'm gonna leave the frozen part in my little room so that it can melt up. So as you can see now, it is melted and you can see the oil and the curd. So with the help of a strainer, I'm gonna separate the curd from the oil. So this is it now. This is our pure organic virgin coconut oil. It's a lot of work, but it is worth it. So my kitchen is about 25 degrees Celsius. That's why you can see the coconut oil is a little bit cloudy. So I left it in the fridge for some time, and as you can see now, it's frozen up, it's hard, and it looks just like the coconut oil you buy outside. So yay, we made a virgin coconut oil. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how you make a virgin coconut oil. Give it a try and let me see how it comes out for you. If you have any questions, contributions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye!